Forecast Office on Twitter and Facebook.
I knew they were gonna do it now. I was gonna take a shower. Hey, they finally did it!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 307, effective until
307. No!
This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi.
Oh shoot, they have my county in there.
A tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
I knew they were gonna do it.
alert for rapidly
Why
changing
would I
weather
take a
conditions
shower?
and listen for later statements and
Reason
possible
why I brought
warnings.
this stuff in here in the first
Stay
place.
tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for
Okay, well,
Oklahoma
there's
City
that.
and surrounding.
What is this? Severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, it's
The National Weather
observed.
Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Comanche County, Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m.
Oh shoot,
Central
we're
Daylight
in a
Time,
destructive
a severe
one.
thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Sterling, moving
This
east
is
at 40
destructive.
miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for central High and Duncan.
Oh my.
Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts and baseball-sized hail.
Baseball!
Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous
Yep,
to
it's
those
moving
caught
in, it's
without
moving
shelter.
in fast.
Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Rush Springs, Bray,
I'm gonna
Sterling,
need some
Bella,
backup
Eastern
batteries
Fort
for this
Sill,
thing.
Central High, and Cox
If
City.
power outages are
Prepare
possible.
immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage.
Is this a particularly
People
dangerous
outside should move to
situation?
shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an
80
interior
miles
room
per
on
hour
the lowest
wind
floor
gusts.
of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Norman
this is
has
not
issued a
good.
severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Comanche County.
Another one. What's this one? Severe thunderstorm. I'm in this one.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County in central
Something
Oklahoma,
for me.
northern Potawatomi County in
At least
central
it's not
Oklahoma
destructive.
until 6 p.m. Central Daylight
Still,
Time.
60 miles per hour
At
wind gusts.
5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dale, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Nickel.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
Small hail.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Shawnee, Tecumseh, McLeod, Prague, Pink, Meeker, Earlsboro, Johnson, Dale, Little, Neuala, Bethel Acres, Idlewild, and Centerview. For your protection, move to an an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Oh shoot, no! The thing got
5
unplugged!
to 10 miles an hour. Your thunderstorm warning for northeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, south central Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Byers, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pauls Valley, Stratford, Kanawha, Howley, Byers, Fitzhugh, and Van Nuys. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Okay.
A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
That was unexpected. We were just watching Heck's Kitchen. Oh, it just turned off. Why does it do that?
Logan, McLean, Oklahoma. Your thunderstorm warning for northern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma,
Another
western
one?
Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Hydro, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
When will this end?
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Just want to watch
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hinton, Geary, Hydro, Calumet, Bridgeport, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
There's another one?
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Are cloud-to-ground lightnings just happening more often now? Don't do that.
Tornado watch number 3.
Shutting the door, shutting the door, shutting the door, shutting the door.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, western Oklahoma
Oh, shoot, I'm
County
in this
in
one.
central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near El Reno,
Nice.
moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
It's hard to hear.
The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Oklahoma City, El Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, Tuttle, Piedmont, Union City, Mingo, Calumet. shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm.
Oh, dang.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Ah.
A severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County and central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County and central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tuttle, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Mustang, Noble, Tuttle, Goldsby, Washington, Cole, Bridge Creek, and Stanley Draper Lake. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm.
Dude, these are
Move indoors immediately.
dangerous.
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Dude, man.
A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of central Oklahoma County through 8:45 p.m. Severe thunderstorm watch number 312, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Friday.
What?
This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch number 307 has been canceled for the following.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern King County in northern Oklahoma, northern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Noble County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Grant County in northern Oklahoma, northern Logan County in central Oklahoma, western Payne County in central Oklahoma, Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Medford to 3 miles southwest of Level, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Enid, Stillwater, Ponca City, Blackwell, Perry, Tonkawa, Perkins, Hennessy, Lakeston, Crescent, Lacomas, Pond Creek, Garber, Covington, Billings, Dover, Lamont, Coyle, Red Rock, and Marshall.
Is it impacting?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9.
Are you joking? How many do you want?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washita County in western Oklahoma, southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Custer County in western Oklahoma, southern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles north of Okarche to near Hinton to 4 miles south of Colony, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City, Edmond, El Reno, Weatherford, Guthrie, Kingfisher, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Fort Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Piedmont, Nichols Hills, Hinton, Union City, Minko, Geary, Okarche, and Hydro. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Any more? Any more?
The National Weather Service has issued severe...
Dad, it's gonna get loud.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued thunderstorm warning.
Hurry up. Do it already.
Oklahoma, northeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Hinton, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Yukon, Mustang, Tuttle, Union City, Minko, Kogar, Cedar Lake, and Richland. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.
Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Norman has... The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington, Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Woods County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Custer County in western Oklahoma, Lane County in northwestern Oklahoma, Dewey County in northwestern
What the
Oklahoma,
heck? There's so many
Southern
counties.
Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, Madrid County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County
When
in
does it
central
end?
Oklahoma, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Holy.
At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line
Oh, it's
extending from 3
multiple.
miles
Okay, yeah, it's like a huge line.
moving east at 45 miles an hour.
No severe thunderstorm warning, that's not anywhere near me.
Wind gusts sensing pong ball size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Enid, Weatherford, Clinton, Watonga, Kingfisher, Fairview, Taloga, Hennessy, Wacomas, Geary, Bokeene, Thomas, Hydro, Sealing, Arapahoe, Canton, Lahoma, Corn, Ringwood, and Dover. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornado watch filling the 3 portions of northwestern Garvin.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. It says CVA.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
CVR.
thunderstorm warning for Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, western Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, west central McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Norman, Oregon, 5 miles north of Goldsby, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Shawnee, Newcastle, Tecumseh, Purcell, Noble, Slaughterville, Pink, Goldsby, Cole, Tribby, Gwinnett, Etowah, Brooksville, Macomb, Stella, Stanley Draper Lake, and Lake Thunderbird. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
Man, the hail is big.
A strong thunderstorm will...
What is it now? I'm really tired. It's lagging.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
It looks like it's
At
weakening a little
9:19
bit.
p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guthrie to 5 miles east of Gracemont, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour.
Even though it's like
Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expects considerable tree damage.
Sometimes
Damage is
I
likely to mobile homes, roofs, and
The
outbuildings.
damage rate is
Locations
considerable.
impacted include Oklahoma City, Western Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Del City,
I was
El Reno,
listening to an
Chickasha,
SMS song
Guthrie,
that was-
Newcastle, Blanchard, Anadarko,
quickly live
Chandler,
streamed.
Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village,
Yeah.
and Tuttle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I captured like 13 of these by now. I don't even know, but all I do know is
A
that
strong
I'm at
thunderstorm
like
will
videos
impact
number
portions
3.
of
Again! Because like, why not to them, huh? Why not? Why the heck not?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Key County in northern Oklahoma, northeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Noble County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Grant County in northern Oklahoma, central Logan County in central Oklahoma, Payne County in central Oklahoma, eastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles west of Ponca City to 5 miles northeast of Guthrie,
Almost
moving east
through.
at 35 miles an hour.
Is
Expected
almost
hazards
like
include
past
70
like
miles
my
an hour
county.
wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The
Jeez,
following
man.
impacts are expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Ponca City, Guthrie, Cushing, Blackwell, Harry, Tonkawa, Perkins, Lakeston, Crescent, Yale, Garber, Morrison, Glencoe, Covington, Billings, Tryon, Ripley, Caw City, and Agra. For your protection,
is
move to an
Agra?
interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah, that's like a more normal severe thunderstorm.
A severe
Like no
thunderstorm
big
warning
hail or
remains in
something.
effect until 10 p.m.
What is it now? Very short headers, man.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
what?
central Seminole County and east central Oklahoma,
Power
northwestern
warning,
Pontotoc County and east central Oklahoma, southwestern Potawatomi County and central Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is still considered
At
severe?
9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tecumseh to 6 miles south of Etowah, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seminole, Tecumseh, Wewoka, Kanawha, Bine, Maud, Earlsboro, Olex, Asher, Tribby, Gwinnett, St. Louis, Brooksville, Macomb, Lima, Harto, and Trousdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued.
What's this? I know this is a thunderstorm warning. Of course it is.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a
There's a lot
severe
of counties
thunderstorm
in there,
warning
too.
for north central Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma
really
County
isn't
in
even that
central
severe,
Oklahoma,
bro.
Lincoln
Calm
County in
down.
central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma,
It has less
southeastern
than
Logan
75
County in
inch
central
hail,
Oklahoma,
70 miles per
Potawatomi
hour
County
winds.
in central Oklahoma, McLean County in
Has
central
my
Oklahoma,
county in it.
until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
45.
At 9:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles east of Kearney to near Oklahoma City to 4 miles southeast of Chickasha, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City,
Okay, this has to be like
Southeastern
number
Lebanon,
37
Moore,
or something.
Midwest
I don't
City,
even
Shawnee,
know.
Del City, Chickasha,
37,
New Castle,
36,
Blanchard, Seminole, Tecumseh, Purcell, Chandler, Choctaw, Noble, Tuttle, Hara, Slaughterville, and McLeod. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kingfisher, southeastern Grant, and eastern Garfield
Yeah, that's
counties.
it.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Comanche County, southwestern Oklahoma, west central Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sterling, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball size and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh, it's so late.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Rush Springs, Bray, Fletcher, Sterling, Eastern Fort Sale, Central High, Acme, and Cox City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorms will involve a thunderstorm was
It finally went back to normal programming. It's 11:12 at night. I'm really tired. I just want to go to bed. Good night, y'all. Be safe, and I'll see you next time.